Welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make fried chicken curry and fried rice. So I hope you all will like my video, my recipe. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, share. So first of all, I am going to marinate the chicken. I have taken chicken over here, you can see. Now I'll marinate this. I will put some chili powder, some jeera powder, some dhania powder, and I will put some vinegar to marinate the chicken. Now mix it nicely. Because first of all I will fry the chicken and then make the curry. I will not put the salt now. When I am making the curry, then I will put the salt. This I will keep it aside now, and I am going to get ready with the fried rice. I have taken basmati rice, washed out and kept. Put some oil, refined oil. First I will fry the onions and take it out. Put in the onions to fry. I will fry the onions brown and then take it out. The onions are turned brown. Now I will take them out in one plate. This way I will take it out and keep it aside. Now in the same oil I will make the fried rice. I have taken bay leaves, one big elaichi, green elaichi, and darchini, and some cloves. You can see some cloves. Put this in. Now I will put in the rice, the basmati rice, the washed rice. Mix it well. Let the rice fry along with the garam masala which I have put. The rice is fried up well. You can see the rice is fried up well. Now I will put some salt. Mix the salt well with the rice. With this measurement, I have taken the rice 2.5 bowls. So I will put 5 bowls of water with this. I am going to put warm water. Now the rice will cook in this only, in this water. I will cover it up and let the rice cook in low flame. Now I will get ready with the chicken curry, the fried chicken curry. Put some mustard oil. I've marinated the chicken and kept here. This I'm going to fry it first and take it out. The fried rice is cooked up. You can see how nice it's cooked up. Now I will put the fried onions. This onion which I have fried and kept, now I'll put this. I will mix it this type. This type. Now the fried rice is ready. It's looking so yummy, tasty to eat. Lovely. The fried rice is ready. The chicken also is fried up well. You can see it's fried up in the oil. Now I will make the curry. I will take this chicken out in one plate and then make the curry. How nicely the chicken pieces are fried up. This way I'll take them out. In the same oil, I will make the curry. I have lessened the oil. Put some onions. Let the onions fry pinkish brown. Put in the bay leaves. Now I will put in the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Put in some jeera powder. Put in some dhania powder. Put some chili powder. Put some turmeric powder. And let the masala fry. And the marinated vinegar and the jeera and dhania powder in it mix. This also I will put in. And fry the masala. The masalas are fried. Now I will put some salt. Put in the fried chicken. Mix it well. I will use warm water for the chicken curry. Now I will add the water. Put some garam masala powder. Put some chicken masala powder. I have kept some fried onions. This also I will put in the curry. Put some coriander leaves. and let the chicken curry cook. Cover it up and let it cook. The fried chicken curry also is ready. Fried rice differently made and fried chicken curry is ready to be eaten. It's looking very yummy, delicious. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.